So we're going to do a tutorial on how to make a budget with Google Sheets. So we're going to go to New, go to Google Sheets. We're going to use a template already made just because it's easier. We're going to go to monthly budget, click the monthly budget template. And for the job I want, I'll take home a rough income of about 8,000 monthly. Now, you know, I'm shooting for the big jobs here, but yeah. So we're gonna scroll down. So you see there's already some built-in expenses. We're gonna get rid of those. We're gonna go for 0. Well, you really don't have to. You could just click out and it'll leave it as a 0 normally, but I clicked something wrong. So we're just gonna put 0. We're gonna go here and we're gonna put 0 as well. And to completely delete it, we're going to go over to the transactions at the bottom. And we're going to delete all of this if I can get it to work. Get rid of all of this. And after, once we go back to summary, you see it's now all completely deleted. So we're going to scroll back up. We're going to add some of our own expenses. So say you spend roughly $500 on food a month. Transportation, so your car, you can use this as possibly, say it's gas or any other things that have to deal with you getting to and from. It's roughly say $100 a month. I'm just shooting out numbers here. If you also want a custom category, so you can say you want how much money you spend on Netflix or on Hulu and Disney Plus and stuff like that. So you'll go there and it will tell you all of this. You will scroll up. And so you see it has your start balance and your end balance, how much money you have saved this month, and all of that. Basically, you're gonna put in your income. Say in your savings, you got 500. Your paycheck is 8,000. I mean, yeah, let's say 7,000. And you see, once you scroll up here, it adjusts. So how much expenses you have planned, how much income you're gonna get from your savings and all of that, and it's all adjusted. So that's how you would make a budget using Google Sheets.